In the following videos, I'll show you how to download and install MySQL Workbench. MySQL Workbench is a MySQL client that has a very convenient user interface that you can use to manage your MySQL database. For example, you can use MySQL Workbench to create new tables. You can use it to perform different SQL queries, like select data from your MySQL database and then have a convenient user interface for previewing that data. You can run different SQL queries to update records and delete records, and using graphical user interface tools like MySQL Workbench speeds up your process because you don't have to type SQL commands in your terminal. You can create a list of most commonly used SQL queries and then run them simply by selecting which one of the queries you want to run in the list. So to download MySQL Workbench, you can either Google for it, for this phrase, download MySQL Workbench, or you can load the following address in your browser. It starts with dev.mysql.com/downloads/workbench. Okay, and once the page loads, scroll down a little bit and you should see generally available releases. I'm using Mac OS, so I've selected operating system for Macs, but there are different versions available for different operating systems. So to download it, click on this link, download MySQL, and you'll be taken to a page similar to MySQL installation where you are asked to either log in with existing account or sign up. You can skip both of this and click no thanks, I just want to download, and you will be able to download your MySQL Workbench without logging or signing up. I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download again. I will simply go straight to my downloads folder and we'll move it to a desktop and bring it up. So this is the Workbench that I have downloaded a few minutes ago. I will double click on it to start installation. And once you are presented with this page, all you need to do is select the icon on the left side and then drag and drop it into your applications folder. I already did that, and this is why I'm prompted that I do already have MySQL Workbench. Do I want to keep both, stop, or replace? I'll simply replace it. So once this process is done, you will have your MySQL Workbench installed. And to start MySQL Workbench, once it is installed, you can use a Spotlight search, type command spacebar on your keyboard, and then search for MySQL Workbench and hit enter. And we are prompted that MySQL Workbench is an application that is downloaded from the internet. It's okay, I trust it, so I'll click on open, and I should have MySQL Workbench started. Here we go. This is how it starts at this moment, and I will show you how to create a new database connection in the following video.